Hi everybody. Today's video is going to be talking a little bit about some beauty care and making your skin look its best. I'm going to give you a few tips on your skin that maybe you won't hear from your dermatologist, and I'm here to guide you. Because our skin is the largest organ on our body, it does require a little bit more care than our daily beauty routine. So first thing I'm going to talk about is keeping your skin natural. Natural is the big beautiful thing right now, and it's very trending to have natural looks. Even when you're doing your makeup, people like to keep it natural, or when you're doing fillers, the first thing I often hear is, please keep my lips looking natural. Nobody wants to see their 65-year-old aunt with 25-year-old lips. So we always have to keep in mind the person's face and their lifestyle, their age. There's a few factors involved, and regardless of your age, you want to keep your skin looking its best. Keeping your skin clean and clear, healthy of any toxins or chemicals, you will definitely notice the difference in your face after just a couple of days, and you'll notice right away in your complexion. Second very important thing is please wear sunscreen. As we all know, sunscreen is a very important part of our day. It should be included in our whole everyday daily routine at minimum once a day. Add it into your morning routine. You can often get a moisturizer that has some SPF in it already, or you might want to add it on its own. That's up to you. There's many brands out there, many products out there available. It's crucial to wear sunscreen, not only to protect your skin from cancer, but it also prevents aging. It helps decrease your wrinkles, and it's gonna keep your skin looking great in the years to come. Dark spots from the sun can appear when you're tanning too much. We tend to get some dark spots. So you'll want to apply your sunscreen year-round. Doesn't matter what kind of day it is. Even on a cloudy day, put your sunscreen on. It's very important that you keep your skin. Third thing is to drink more water. As we all know, it's great for us to drink water. The more the better. So drinking water is crucial to our body due to the fact that our body is made up of 63% of water. If you're not properly hydrating your skin, you can cause dryness, dull spots, flakiness, and wrinkles on the skin surface. So drinking 8 glasses of water a day, you'll get that glow right back into your skin, and your skin will look great and you'll feel good too. Not only drinking 8 glasses of water does for your skin, it also helps other things in your body. We all know water is great. Number 4, get regular facials. You should really get regular facials. There are plenty of things you can do to your complexion at home on your own, but some things are better left to the pros. They can help recognize any kind of skin problem you have or any issues you might have, and they will help you treat it properly. And last but not least, number 5, get your sleep. Less sleep time can actually contribute to aging. Do your best to get 6 to 8 hours sleep each night. Getting some rest will help dark circles under the eyes, bags under the eyes. Sometimes people look like they've been crying if they haven't slept all night, and sleep does do a lot more to your skin. It also affects your mind and body as well. I'm going to be making more videos with tips on how to keep your skin healthy, and I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you, all my followers. You're great, and if you need to ask any questions, feel free to contact me. If you need any supplies or products, I'm here to help. And you can contact me by email because my website is under construction at the moment. You can reach me at lc@hyaluron-kween.com, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, guys, and see you soon. Bye.